In this video, I will show you how to download Python IDLE in Windows 11. If you want to do programming in Python language, you have to download Python IDLE for debugging and launching code. Yep, running code. Python is very popular language for many tasks. You do automation, web programming, apps, software, and much more tasks. For downloading it, simply open Google Chrome. Here I am opening Google Chrome and search Python. When you search Python, press enter. After pressing enter, you see welcome to python.org. Click this link. When you click this link, simply click download. When you click download button, you see Python version. These are the latest version of Python. If you want to download any specific version, you can simply choose and click download button. Here I am choosing latest version of Python, Python 3.11.13. Click download. When you click download, here you have two versions, X compressed source tarbell, jigged source tarbell. For downloading, here you can see two files, gzipped source tarbell, gzed compressed source tarbell. You choose anyone. You can choose anyone. Here I am choosing gzipped source tarbell. When you click this file, you have to choose where you want to download this Python IDLE. Here I am choosing download and click save. When you click save, you can see our Python is downloading and our Python has downloaded. Now it's time to install it. Let's get installed. You have to open where Python is available. Here our Python file is available. For installing it, simply click right and then open. When you click open, you see Python folder, Python 3.11.30. Click this and you have to choose setup.py. This is a file available in our compressed file, setup.py. Click this file, double click. Then after clicking, you see our Python has been installed. When you search here in search bar Python, like I am searching Python, you can see Python 3.3 64-bit. When you open it, you see Python IDLE. Here you can run any code like hello. Like here I am running a code. You can see our Python is working. You can see hello words. I hope this video help you how to download and install Python in Windows 11. If you have any queries, put it in comment box.